Hey everybody, today I'm making a alcoholic Shamrock shake. And for this you'll need a blender and you'll put about 2.5 cups of vanilla ice cream in there and add about a 1/4 cup of milk. Whole milk is best. And about 12 teaspoons of vodka, any vodka you prefer. And then you're going to add in about a 1/2 teaspoon of mint extract and 12 drops of green food coloring. And make sure it's mint extract, not peppermint. So just put that on the milkshake setting and let that go until it's all well blended. And then after that's ready, just pour it in a glass. Top it with some Reddi whip and a cherry. I also had some green sprinkles that I sprinkled over the top of that. You don't have to do that. I just thought it looked pretty. I topped it with a cherry, a maraschino cherry, and I enjoyed this very much. It's very good. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it. And keep in mind, this is going to be a little thinner than a regular milkshake because of the alcohol. But trust me, it's very good. I know you'll enjoy it. At the end of the video, I do have a photograph of all the ingredients that I have used. And also, I'll have the ingredients and the amounts listed below this video. So as always, thank you so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Enjoy this drink, and I'll see you next time.